My wife picked up these small doors from an antique market, and she wanted them to hang on this wall behind me as decor. It was easy for me to do and didn't take that long using the correct hardware. I'll show you how I did this on Brew Build. There's an alcove at the top of the stairs that leads to my office. The three doors will be mounted next to each other on the wall 9 to 10 inches off the floor, matching our modern farmhouse home decor. I have them resting on a 4x4 for now to help with placement. I'll be using some French Cleat brackets that I purchased off Amazon. You can also find them at home improvement centers or most hardware stores. Once mounted, these will give me the ability to slide the doors side to side to get them to fit tight next to each other. You mount one of these on the wall and the other one upside down on the door, and then they lock into each other. They are also known as Z-brackets and can support quite a lot of weight compared to other types of wall hangers. I'll mount the brackets to the door first. Instead of a measurement, I'll just line up the bracket with the bottom of this top piece of wood of the door. That will keep the heights of the doors all the same. The kit did supply some screws to mount the brackets. I'll use the 3/4 inch ones to mount the brackets to the doors. Make sure to use screws that are short enough that they don't poke through what you are hanging. This will hook onto the other half of the French cleat that attaches to the wall. I need to measure from the bottom of the bracket to the bottom of the door to get this mounted at the correct height. About 45.5 inches. We want these about 10 inches above the floor, so I'll put a mark at 55 inches. I'll add a few more marks and then draw a line using a level. Then add a mark for the center of each door. Now just line up the bottom of the bracket with the line, center it, and mark the holes. These drywall anchors seem a bit small that it came with, so I'm going to use some stronger ones that I have on hand. The plastic is thicker on these, and the screws are slightly larger. I feel better about using these to hold the weight of the doors. Only issue, the screws won't fit through the holes, so I'll need to drill these out. When drilling aluminum, you can use a larger drill bit and your hand to remove any of the leftover burrs from the holes. Now I can drill the holes in the drywall and then insert the anchors. Use a hammer to tap in the drywall anchors flush to the drywall. Now I can attach the bottom half of the cleat to the wall. I have the clutch set on the drill driver to a low setting so I don't over tighten the screws. This is what it looks like after my wife finished decorating it. The wood doors really add a nice warmth to the top of the stairs and make this area more inviting. The French cleats were easy to install, and I'm glad that I updated the drywall anchors to make sure that these doors stay in place. Subscribe, hit the like button, and be sure to check out the other videos I have on brew builds.